60 seconds with Femi, correct Pidgin Yannings. Now we do. And this morning we want look everything what's up for inside UEFA Champions League. Yesterday, VAR no be small work where he do. He saved Tottenham Hotspur yesterday. And many people on the talk say VAR of life he did for your side. Everything go just they go for you well, like Tottenham Hotspur. We don't even buy any player, but they don't in semi-final for inside UEFA Champions League. Whereas the other people, Manchester City, Pep Guardiola, since he come up for Barcelona, he never fit win any Champions League. He go Bayern Munich, now he come Manchester City. He don't buy. He still no fit win Champions League. Many people don't talk say you should say this coach who know the hype and too much. You should say this coach who know they overthink everything. You should say Pep Guardiola now better coach as you think say he be. I want to know what you think because Man City fans better don't come for now. Now if you go hands go watch Game of Thrones. But the other match when they play today, Liverpool versus Porto. Liverpool they carry Porto, they scrap for gun. Jurgen Klopp they happy because back-to-back semi-final for inside UEFA Champions League. Now we know the people will go play semi-final. How you they see the Champions League?